Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you how to hide your subscribers count on YouTube using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for youtube.com. So now just go ahead and click on your YouTube profile at the upper right side of your screen and click on YouTube Studio. So let's just wait for it. So now once you are here, you want to click on settings and click on channel. So here under channel, you want to click on advanced settings. And once you scroll down, you can see you should see a subscriber count under the automatic captions. Okay, but for my account or channel, I don't have that because I don't have any subscribers. Okay, so when you check on the subscriber account, I'm sorry, it displays the number of people subscribed to your channel. So if you want other people to see how much subscribers you have, just go ahead and check that box. But if you don't want other people to see your subscribers count, just go ahead and uncheck that box. Okay, so that's it. That is how you hide your subscribers count on YouTube using your computer. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one and have a great day.